Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will unbox the Huawei P Smart 2019 smartphone, Midnight Black, with 3 GB of RAM, 64 GB of ROM, dual SIM, capable of getting an SD card with up to 512 GB of storage capacity. It has an amazing 6.21-inch full high-definition plus screen, and also has face recognition or fingerprint unlock capability. The dual 13MP plus 2MP cameras feature a large f1.8 aperture to show vivid details and provide a natural bokeh effect for your standout moments. The Huawei P Smart comes with dual rear cameras to help you take impressive snaps. The cameras even have built-in AI to automatically choose the best settings for your environment. Feeling artsy? Try the bokeh effects to make your photos look even more professional. The new AI scene recognition technology can identify 22 categories and 500 scenarios in real time for great photos. The front camera recognizes 8 unique selfie scenes and optimizes your photos in real time with AI technology to showcase perfect portraits every day. The advanced Kirin 710 octa-core chipset enhances the running performance to full speed, whilst the 12nm process technology efficiently lowers power consumption. The GPU turbo vastly improves overall graphics processing to deliver an immersive gaming experience. Comes powered by a 3,400 mAh large battery. You can immerse yourself in gaming and enjoy unforgettable videos with the Huawei P Smart 2019. The charging speed is increased by 22% to satisfy your fast-paced lifestyle. The battery lasts for up to 25 hours. It is very light for its size. It only weighs 160 grams, that is 6 ounces. This is the 4th Huawei phone that I have purchased for my family, and frankly, I love every single one of them because they are very good phones at a very reasonable price. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.